Welcome to 3638 Southwest 45th Street in Red Tail Ridge. This single-level home is 3 beds, 2 baths with an attached heated shop space. You'll see that on the inside as I walk through in the last part of the video. Beautiful views throughout, xeriscape nicely, drip systems in place that make it very easy to maintain. The view from this covered front porch couldn't be better, and you can see that same view from inside the front office. Great parking, on street and off, good privacy, and I'll show you through every last detail and talk through the upgrades. Moving through the front door, foyer space into the great room. You can see the engineered hardwoods and the granite counters with leathered finish and live edge. Beautiful island here with a single bay sink, complemented by these quartz counters, nice backsplash, under cabinet lighting, high-end appliances. You have your gas range oven that's a double configuration with range hood, the microwave below, conveniently located. The color contrast in here is nice between the island and the rest of the cabinets and cupboards. Vaulted ceilings, built-ins for storage. Light, bright, and very private. Has all the blinds you need throughout included. Cellular, high quality. The slider that leads out to the really private back patio and separate paver area. The thermostat for the house. Moving down to the primary suite. The engineered hardwoods continue into this space. Large, comfortably fits a king bed with end tables. Again, those blinds, these are blackout blinds in here into the primary. These are tile counters, but they're huge tiles, so there's only 3 across this entire vanity. So 2 grout lines, really durable, nice looking. Enclosed toilet room with the pocket door. Dual flush. This is a tile floor in here. Tiled shower with trays. That obscured glass window for nice light. Built-in area for your linens and towels. Primary closet, spacious, well organized. Access to the crawl space. Hall closet here for more storage. Into the utility that leads out to the attached garage and shop. Has a utility sink. Again, those big tiles, just 1 grout line. Water heaters in there, along with the furnace. This guest bedroom, the largest of them. This is a king bed in here. As you can see, there's a king-size bed in this space, fitting very comfortably. Really great view through this window of the tip of one of the sisters, and then also of Jefferson to the north. Really private through the front here. The closet on the left, passing by the guest bath. Good sized guest bath with tub shower combination. The foyer here. And back to the front here is the office. Good sized space. Beautiful view of Jefferson right there. Same view that you have on the front porch. And then a view of the Sisters and Broken Top. And of Klein Butte. It's just a really cool outlook that you have there. The closet really functions great as an office, but is a good bedroom as well. Just a very nice space. And moving back through, custom, well laid out, and completely dialed. Now out in the one car section of the garage. Have an 8x8 door there. Plug-ins, that's the sprinkler controller, drip system controller, more plugs. And then this leads out to the shop area. And the shop area has a big natural gas heater, 30 amp 220, 50 amp 220 right here. 110s, that's the thermostat for the furnace in here. 30 amp 220, 110, 110, and then we have a 50 amp 220 here. 110, light switches, door to the outside. That is a 20 amp 220 for this big table saw. 110, solar pre-wire down here, telephone and a bunch of things. But this is pre-wired for solar. That is the 200 amp panel. 50 amp 220. And that's a 30 amp 220. That's a 110. Go back around. So yeah. 18 feet wide, 35 feet just about on depth. So you can fit 2 cars deep, 2 cars wide. Real easy in here. Just an awesome space. Great to have a shop connected to your home. Now in the backyard, covered in 2 areas with paver areas, and the ground cover is a form of recycled rubber. Beautiful mountain views here on the side. Nice storage back here as well, and I'll show that. There's an enclosed storage area. But this is all paver and on drip system. Trees that bloom throughout here. Great privacy. Throughout the season, there's always something new in bloom. There's a French drain that's improved along this side too, so there's great drainage whenever there's big rainstorms, right down the side and out the front. Leads right into the great room through the back here. Hose bibs. Just a beautiful oasis. Very private. Super low maintenance as well. And I'll move over and show you the inside of the storage shed. Now moving around to show the inside of this enclosed storage shed. It's on the back of the shop. It's really big, quite tall, has a light. Just nice to have this kind of space here and not have to share it with a garage and have access directly to the back here.